Hi, today you will learn how to share video in Kdenlive. So if you want to do it, first you need to open project bin settings and then you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. After that, it will be successfully added to the timeline. So we need to select this video and we need to go to effects tab, because here we can find really useful transform effects which we can apply to our video, to our clip. So now on the search field, I need to type shear. Then I will be able to find this option here. Of course, you can find it manually if you want on the transform, distort and perspective settings. So now I drag and drop shear effect to my video and I change position of this indicator to the start. Now on the right side, you can check the shear effect settings. So what I recommend you to do, I recommend you to scroll down and here you can modify x-axis shear factor and y-axis shear factor. For example, I will increase it. Then you will be able to check here the preview of this effect. And for example, I will increase this value too. So for example, it will look something like that. So in this way, you can modify the shear effect here. And now if you will click play button, you will be able to check the modifications which were applied to our video. So how you see, it looks really great. If I helped you to use this effect in Kdenlive, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.